Good morning. Today we're going to discuss about the Republic Act 11976, or known as Ease of Paying Taxes Act, particularly coming from the Section 35. This is about the issuance of sales or commercial invoices, which affects on the non-VAT registered only. So the question is, how do I know if I'm a non-VAT or a VAT registered? Okay, you can check your COR or the certificate of registration issued by the BIR. There you can see if you're a VAT registered or a non-VAT registered. Now, if you're a non-VAT registered, this particular rule will apply to you. First, in the issuance of sales or commercial invoice, if your transaction is not reaching 500 or not at least 500, if your sales transaction is not at least 500, then you are not required to issue a sales or commercial invoice. Okay? However, if your buyer is requiring you to issue a sales or commercial invoice, even though the amount is not reaching at least 500, then you have to issue a sales or commercial invoice. Okay, in that case. Now, second, what if my sales transaction, each sale transaction for that day is not at least 500? What should I do? Okay, the answer for that is that you are going to aggregate the total sales for the day. And if the total sales is reaching at least 500, then you need to issue one sales invoice only at the end of the day. Again, if your total sales for the day, even though each transaction sales is not amounting at least 500, but the total sales for the day is at least 500, then you need to issue a one sales invoice for the day. Now, this is not to say that for every 500 you have to issue one sales invoice. One sales invoice only for the total sales for the day. So for instance, if you have 1,500 sales for the day, at the end of the day, then you are only to issue one sales invoice for the 1,500. You are not to issue three sales invoices because you are not going to divide that one five in by 500. Okay, so again, you need only to issue one sales invoice for the 1,500. It's because your total sales at the end of the day is at least 500. Okay, so third, uh sir, what if I'm a VAT registered? What's the rule applicable to me? Okay, so again, as I said, this is not applicable for you. So if you're a VAT registered, regardless of the amount, you have to issue sales invoice or commercial invoice for each sales transaction. Okay, thank you so much.